Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com, your official YouTube yoga and Pilates instructor guy. Let's get this shirt off. A very relaxing bedtime yoga routine today. Get those sunglasses out of there. Put the cap on. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the nose for this. Hey, if you're with me right now, and you are, please check in below. Hit that subscribe button. Press that like button for more videos just like this. Now let's get loose and have the best night's sleep of our lives. Bend the knees, hands on the tops of the thighs. We're going to gently work our way into a forward fold here. You can always stay in this position. Modify as needed. Your comfort is paramount, my friend, in this flow. And very slowly making your way down into forward fold. Keep the knees bent, tuck the chin. There we are. A little windy today, isn't it? Hopefully it's not windy in your bedroom. Okay. Let's walk the legs nice and slow, one at a time. Want to release the muscles. Want to get ample amounts of breath into the system. And calming the mind and the body. And stripping away all the distractions from the day. This is your time. And sleep is essential for optimum physical and mental performance. Rocking forward and back. Again, work your way up to this. You may not have your hands down. That's fine. You can have your hands on your thighs or the ankles. Make sure you're breathing amply. If you feel any lightheadedness, come back up or go to sleep early. Slowly rolling back up, shoulders back and down. Tree balance pose. Bring some balance to your mind, body, and spirit. Open your left hip, heel below or above the knee, hands together, looking like I'm scheming, and then pull the arms out to the side so we expand and open the chest. Shoulders back and down. You want to hit the bed with a nice aligned and released body. Drawing those shoulders back. Now cross that left leg, whoa, windy, over the right. We have a cross-legged forward fold. You can bend your knees more and place the hands on the thighs or come all the way down. This really stretches your IT band, stretches your hamstrings, and of course decompresses and opens up your spine. Let's breathe into this. You can sway side to side as you wish. Tucking the chin, let the back of the neck be very long, let the shoulders be loose. Okay, slowly rising up, stacking vertebrae by vertebrae. And tree pose on the other side. Open the hip, a little softness in the standing knee. Hands together, shoulders back, and here we are. Find a focal point. Let your mind focus on that one point, and then the arms come out to the sides, opening the chest, sinking the shoulders down. And gently draw your belly button in each time you exhale. So you activate the abdominal muscles and you give your body a lift. Relax the face. And now cross that leg over and we have the cross-legged forward fold. I fell asleep right there. Moving within the pose as you wish, whatever's comfortable, tucking the chin. I like to sway side to side. The back heel I smush down into the ground to activate the IT band and really stretch the backs of the legs. Beautiful work. Keep the muscles in the back pliable and loose. Big muscles in the back. All right, bring it down. Sitting on your heels or sit in a cross-legged position if that's more comfortable. A few shoulder rolls here, drop them down and back to keep the upper body open and active and aware. Eagle pose, right on forward. Now there's more to it than this. Look at that, left arm snakes underneath, bring the palms together, or you can make fists if you can't get the hands all the way together. 5 times here, we're going to inhale, lift up, exhale, round the back and pull into the body. Inhale, back bend, stretching the upper back and shoulders, and then drawing down, getting the entire spine. Breathe in the nose and out the nose. Inhale up, exhale down. Gentle dynamic flow here it's like a massage for your back, really. Inhale through the nose, fill the lungs, fill the front, sides, and the back. Exhale, draw the arms in. Feel that stretch in the upper back and shoulders. Now keep the eagle arms. We have child's pose with eagle arms. Come down. If this is too much, unravel the arms and take the arms forward. A little side-to-side movement. Breathe amply. The more breath, the more success. Success is defined as whatever's positive for your mind, body, and spirit. All right, unravel the arms. Let's shake out the body first. Legs forward, shake out the arms, shake out the legs. Fingers and toes are loose. All right. Shoulders back and down, and let's bring it back. Cross-legged or sitting on the heels. We'll do eagle pose on the other side, of course, for balance. Left arm forward. Right arm underneath. And there we are. Once the eagle is landed, add 5 repetitions. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, draw the arms into the body. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. As always, sinking the breath. It's a word that's used a lot with mobile devices, but it's true. Syncing the breath with the movements for the best possible flow. Rounding the back. Inhale up and back, keeping the chest open and the abs expanding, and then drawing into the center. All right, child's pose. Once again, you can take the knees back further to extend it, knees a little wide, and there we are with the eagle arms. Side to side, very gentle movements. All right, sliding through to baby cobra. Elbows are on the shoulders, also called the Sphinx Pose. A great lift, a great back bend without pushing us too hard. Reach the toes back, reach the legs back. You can move the head a little side to side, keeping the jaw loose. Now, lowering down, take the arms back behind you. Here's a first progression right here. You can always stay here. Or lace the fingers together, bind them together, and lift up into a mudra cobra. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lengthen, letting the body expand and stretching and opening the chest and the abdominals. If you want more, reach back, grab the feet, that's what I said, and sink the heels down onto your glutes. This is a fantastic quad stretch. I keep yawning. Look at that. Fantastic quad stretch. Your knees are close, about hip width apart, also getting a nice lift in your upper body. And still pumping the breath into the front, sides, and back. Begin to actively slow the breath down. All right, pressing up and back. Get that off the mat. Child's pose, the full one here, arms forward. Little side-to-side movement, sinking your armpits down. Giving your body permission to let go. Let it go. Keep the breath moving and flowing into that pose of the child. All right. We're loose. Are you feeling good? How you feeling? Bring it up. And we're going to come onto our backs. Getting ready. I mean, this routine ends with us zonked out. Bring the knees into the chest. You might have your head on a pillow or a towel or on the floor, wherever you are. Knees into the chest, rocking side to side. All right. Now, if you want more, grab the feet or the ankles and sink the tops of your thighs onto your chest. You can sway side to side or keep it there. I don't usually sleep in my driveway, but today I am making an exception for this video. This is a more intense stretch than knees to chest, stretching the backs of the legs, releasing. All right, shake out the legs, bicycle the legs. Let's do a twist. Take the right leg up and over. Left leg can be down, or grab that left leg with your right hand. I call this the pretzel twist. Relax the shoulders down. We have 5 deep breaths here to release the body down and stretch and twist the spine. All right. And my friend, let's go to the other side. Relaxing down. Option to grab that other foot. You might end your day with a cavitation somewhere in the spine, perhaps. Good. Slow down the breath, but don't decrease the efficiency of it, the expansiveness of it. Keep breathing. Let your whole midsection expand and shrink with that inhale and exhale. All right, moving into sleep position here. I always fall asleep on my right side. Bring it down. I hope this routine helped, my friends. I hope you have a beautiful night's sleep. When you wake up, please check in below. Let me know what you thought of the workout, the flow. Hit that like button. Subscribe to never miss a workout. And I have an issue sometimes. I sleep roll. Do you sleep roll? It's the darndest thing. Oh, see? I sleep roll. I don't care where I am. I go right through the pine needles. I roll until I get on my back. And, oh.
Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.
Because if I had enough time, I would take those rosary bleeds and stuff them up your nose. These bleeds? Those bleeds, yeah. You don't take these and shove them up? I take